Welcome to 3158 Mission Street, number 2. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment that's just been totally redone from head to toe. This apartment is located above the world-famous El Rio bar, and it looks out onto their well-known patio that features all sorts of live entertainment that would be complimentary to the tenants of this apartment as long as they look through their window. It would also generate quite a bit of noise. You have a spacious living room. There is newly installed shiny wood floors throughout. Your kitchen here will feature a brand new refrigerator. It has custom white cabinets. And these are the self-closing cabinets and drawers. You have a gas range, all new, with hood, and a full-size sink with a retractable faucet, black granite counters, tiled granite backsplash. So a really nice common area with the apartment, open living and kitchen. There's some shelves here, which will be handy for your entertainment. And then to this part of the apartment, we have 2 full-size bedrooms, 2 out of the 3. This rear one looks at the El Rio patio. Again, expect some noise, sort of a fun noise, but it is loud. And you have a full-size closet with mirrored doors. Cute little bedroom. There's nice high ceilings. The baths are all new like everything else. This one has a white quartz countertop, black tiled floor, natural stone tile from floor to ceiling surrounding the tub. All elegantly and newly redone. Another bedroom. It also has the mirrored closet doors. There's a central heating system. There's a second full bath, and it's similar to the first with the same tile and quartz counters. A slightly larger bedroom in the rear here. This room just has your heating system and hot water, which are all new. It does not have a closet, but it does have a window. A little bit of a view of the hill, if you can see it there. A little peekaboo of the hilltop. If you're interested in leasing 3158 Mission number 2, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Additionally, the amenities of the building include a free washer and dryer shared with just the other 2 apartments in the little building. Thanks and have a great day.